Hey, what's good everybody? Welcome back to our YouTube channel mahagurus.com. So in this tutorial we would learn how can we unhide the columns in Microsoft Excel. So I would suggest you guys to please follow each and every steps as I say. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So guys, in the previous video we learned how can we hide the columns. So let's suppose this is the column, and to hide it just select Ctrl plus 0. So this is the C column where it's hidden. So to unhide it, what we would do is we will just select B and D cells, B and D columns. To select it, we'll just select the cell and drag it to D. We will select B and D columns, and after just selecting, click on home, and in this cell group click on format followed by visibility, hide and unhide, and then unhide the columns. As you can see, this C column is now visible. So similarly you can do this by just selecting the rows, like I'm selecting it by using keyboard shift plus right arrow, and as you can see B and D is selected. So after just selecting, just press Alt, then O, then C, then U. After just pressing U, as you can see, the C number group is now visible. So this you can do with the multiple of cells and multiple of columns. So that's all for today guys. Thank you.
If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And don't forget to share this video with others. You can find the link to complete basics to advanced Excel tutorial in the description below, or you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.